So beautiful family, welcome back to another video. Today I cooked some brown stew fish, so stay tuned. Yes guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is remove the extra skin and scales from the fish. So I'm going to show you how I do this, so just keep on watching. Then I'm going to wash them off after removing the extra skin and the scales. Then I'm going to start cleaning them with some lime, so you can see how I do that too. Now I'm going to allow them to dry a bit, then I will start seasoning them. To season them, I am using some salt, some black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, and some fish seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and season the fish on both sides. Then I'm just going to allow them to rest for a bit. So what I usually do before I fry them is coat them in some flour, some seasoned flour, because I don't want them to stick too much in the pot. So when I coat them in the seasoned flour, it tends to move more freely in the pot. So I'm just going to season them with some salt and some of the same so I'm going to season them with some flour and some of the same seasons that I used on the fish earlier. Okay, so stay tuned. So now I'm going to go ahead and start frying them. So to the pot, I'm going to add a garlic and a piece of hot scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to allow them to fry for about 5 to 7 minutes or until they start looking golden. So I'm going to fry them on each side. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to make the stew for the fish. So to the pot, I add some onions, scallion and thyme, garlic, hot scotch bonnet pepper, sweet pepper and some carrots. Then I sauteed them a bit. Then I add a little water to get the carrots to cook. After that, I add some ketchup and a little bit of browning and some more water. I allowed it to boil for a minute. Then I add the fish into the pot so that they can stew down. This is how they're looking so far. And this is how they looked when they are finished. So thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.